Football View, the beautiful game.
Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to Football View. If you're new here, you know what to do, subscribe and hit the notification bell. As usual, I'm your host Clinton, and today we're talking about Asante Kotoko versus Aduana Stars in the Ghana Premier League today. The game will take place today, 6 p.m. I'm making this match preview as early as possible. I'll upload it this morning. So subscribe if you haven't and click the notification bell. Let's talk about Kotoko today. Now, Kotoko have won their first game of the season when they faced Accra Lions in their last game in Accra. That game was so tense that they had to leave it late. In fact, they won the game with the last kick of the football, and Kalo scored that let's go to give Asante Kotoko the win against Accra Lions. I'm hoping that they would take that momentum into the Aduana Stars game at the Baba Yara Stadium. You know that Kotoko have struggled to win their last two games at the Baba Yara Stadium, and they'll be looking to break that jinx when they host Aduana Stars. We know that when Aduana Stars come to Kumasi, they always come out to prove a point, to show you that we can beat you. I'm sure that Prosper Nati and his boys will be prepared for that game. Now, talking about Aduana Stars, this season they've played 2 away games and they've lost those 2 away games, and Kotoko will be looking to pile in on the misery when they face Aduana Stars in this particular encounter. I'll be expecting Prosper Nati to maintain the same formation and the same personnel he used against Accra Lions. Mostly, yeah. The only thing I would want him to change is Ouattara for Stephen Mukwala, because the way Stephen Mukwala played against Accra Lions, I don't think himself will be proud of that performance. I don't think any Kotoko fan will be proud of that performance, because we know what Stephen Mukwala can do, and obviously that wasn't his best. He really needs to pick up. Prosperity said that Stephen Mukwala would need time to pick form and start performing, because right now his confidence is low. He needs time to pick up. We hope it's very soon, because Kotoko really need the strikers to be scoring goals. I'm expecting Ouattara to start for Asante Kotoko in that game, because we know the energy. We saw the energy he brought against Accra Lions when he came on. He put so much pressure in the defense, and he made some interesting runs whenever Kotoko have the ball on a counter attack. So I'm expecting Ouattara to start for Asante Kotoko against Accra Lions, because of how instrumental he was for Asante Kotoko in the second half of that game against Accra Lions. There in the midfield, I'm expecting Rich Molamte to keep his place. I'm expecting Sharif Mohammed to keep his place. The defensive partnership is perfect. I'm expecting that one to be unchanged. Tanad Ibrahim commanded the defense very well against Accra Lions, even though he had just little to do. I don't think he had any important save to make in that game, because the defense was very good against Accra Lions. So I'm expecting the defensive back line to remain the same, the midfield remaining the same. Baba Yara started very well, but I think he should actually improve his final pass, because we've seen him get into promising areas, and the final pass is what that keeps him from connecting to the strikers and everyone that is in the box whenever Kotoko on the attacking phase. I'm expecting Baba Yara to keep his starting position. The only change, like I said earlier, is Kalo. Then talk about Aduana Stars. They are not extremely strong. They are not a team that Kotoko should be afraid of. We know they've had a lot of changes in personnel and coach too, and we don't think that they are a team that we should be fearing. It's a team that we should be scared of. They're very beatable, and Kotoko fans should expect a win, because I'm expecting a win. There is no way Kotoko should lose this game. They should not lose this game, because it's a game they have to win. It's a game they have to get to win. This should be their first win at Baba Yara Stadium this season. This should be the first win, because it is all there in the cards that Kotoko have to win this game. Kotoko really have to win this game. I would like to know your thoughts. What do you think should change in the midfield, in the formation, and the attitude of the coach and the players? Put that in the comment section and tell me what you think that should be changed in those aspects. Do you think Kotoko can beat Aduana Stars? Do you think Kotoko has what it takes to beat Aduana Stars? And how far do you think Kotoko can go in the Ghana Premier League this season? I would like to know. Put down in the comment section and tell me what you think. I'll be posting the match review right after the game, so subscribe if you've been interested in that, and if you've been interested in Ghana Premier League and Ghana football, or African football as a whole. Subscribe and tell me what you think, and tell me what content you would love to see in the future. So that is all I have for you today. Kotoko must beat Aduana Stars. I'm predicting a 3-0 win for Asante Kotoko against Aduana Stars. I would like to know your predictions. Put down in the comment section and tell me what you think about the game and your predictions. subscribe and hit the notification bell. My name is Clinton Little. Till next time, guys. Goodbye.